大家好啊，午安，歡迎嚟到我哋 SQX Online Solution Day 第一季嘅第3場 ，OK。咁樣今日主題係 Octopus 一個 PSIM 嘅軟件啦。咁樣就入正題之前呢，大概講下今日嘅 rundown。咁樣今日呢，我哋邀請咗 Octopus 總部嗰邊，以色列嗰邊阿 Danny 幫手做一個 online demonstration 嘅，咁樣大概15分鐘到啦。咁樣之前我大概會有15分鐘嘅 presentation。咁樣喺 presentation 同 demo 嘅過程裏邊，大家隨便用打字形式發問 ，OK 喺騰訊會議上邊咁樣可以用打字形式發問啦，咁樣中英文都得㗎啦。咁樣喺香港、澳門嘅朋友用 Zoom 嘅話咧，咁樣亦都喺 Q&A 個 corner 嗰度發問啦。咁樣就我哋會留咗好多小禮品咧，俾發問嘅來賓嘅。OK， 咁樣一啲簡單嘅問題，我哋會用打字形式咧喺過程裏邊回答㗎啦。咁樣一啲複雜少少或者有價值少少嘅問題咧，我哋會留喺2點半做完 demo 之後咧會回答嘅。OK。SQX 咁樣開始其實同 Octopus 呢間廠咧，以色列廠咧，其實都做咗一段時間生意㗎啦，都有幾個項目上咗馬㗎啦。OK， 咁樣 Octopus 其實我哋會成個 product portfolio 裏邊咧，我哋定位佢係一個 operation enhancement、command and control 嘅 platform 嚟嘅。OK， 咁佢個定位特別少少嘅。頭先嗰段片咧，佢會介紹自己係一個 PSIM 軟件。係嘅，啱嘅。佢主要係一個 PSIM 軟件，咁樣，但係點解我話啱？但係唔止一個 PSIM 軟件咧，咁樣賣少少關子，後邊會解釋你聽嘅。咁樣當然 Octopus 佢都係一個 embrace open standard， 會係 with 我哋其他 ecosystem 生態圈嘅 partner 咧，都係兼容嘅。OK， 好似我主打產品貓松啊，好多其他subsystem 咧，其實佢都會整合好，而係擁抱我哋呢個 smart security 嘅概念嘅。OK， 咁樣而佢亦都去到一個極致啦，即係佢真係主要係希望做到 connect and analyze 關聯同分析啦，同埋幫到大家 present and action 嘅。而佢個 present and action 咧，唔止係俾啲 security operator 啊，或者 facility management 嘅人啊，可能會俾埋啲租客啊、用戶啊，或者做 smart campus 嘅時候啲到訪嘅人士啊，或者好似學校咁嘅啲學生啊之類嘅嘢，都會係做到成個 smart community 嘅一個 concept 嘅。OK， 咁而正即係 smart 嘅概念啦，分開嗰三四個動作嘅話咧，咁樣我哋用一個幾層嘅架構去睇佢嘅話咧 PSIM 係佢嘅主打項目。OK， 咁樣但係因為佢哋咧唔只係做最傳統嘅保安系統 ，OK，PSIM 好多時候係整合閉路電視啦、門禁系統啦、alarm 咧，會叫自己做 PSIM 嘅。呢個10零20年前嘅一啲PSIM 嘅廠家咧，會好專注做呢嘢。咁樣而其實貓松啊，好多其他 open platform 咧係蠶食咗 PSIM 嗰啲系統嘅市場嘅，因為其實好多時候，譬如好似貓松呢類咁嘅 video management system 系統咧，都好快整合好晒 access control 啊、alarm 啊，甚至乎 IoT 嘅嘢。但係點解而家呢個市場反而呢幾年咧又重新回到去 PSIM 咧？咁樣呢幅圖其實解釋到俾大家聽嘅，因為而家 PSIM 係 converging fast with 好傳統唔係 PSIM 嘅嘢，好似 FM portal 咁 facility management 嘅，或者 cyber security 上面嘅風險咧，佢都管緊嘅。其實正好似 Octopus 呢類軟件咧，佢係食晒傳統 PSIM 或者 FM portal 嘅功能嘅。OK， 唔止係喺 collection and actuation layer 嗰度做 CCTV access control 或者訪客系統或者 car park 系統嘅整合，佢會做埋唔係傳統 PSIM， 但係facility management 做緊嘅 IoT 整合啊、消防啊、lift 啊、BMS 嘅整合嘅。因為呢一個 converging fast 嘅趨勢咧，係後邊係好多 open standard 啦，或者 4G、5G 科技啦係推進緊嘅。咁樣嗰陣時要做到呢個概念咧，好難嘅，因為好多唔同嘅廠家都唔會好歡迎一啲開放型嘅標準，一啲 open standard 咁樣。但係其實呢幾年我哋亦都會好多項目落地。做咗3至5年啦，開放型標準 open standard 咧，亦都係市場主流噶啦。 所以 Octopus 唔止一個 PSIM，OK， 咁樣佢會係做到真係 smart command and control 去成個 smart campus 嘅概念嘅。佢有啲項目係做大到去一個 smart city 智能化城市管理嘅概念嚟嘅。頭先提過啦 ，Octopus 係一間扎根喺以色列嘅公司 ，OK。咁樣就都好多年㗎啦，咁樣2013年啦，咁樣佢由 Day One 開始都係一間軟件公司，專注做呢範嘅 ，OK， 佢冇其他產品嘅 ，OK， 佢淨係做呢個軟件啫。咁樣而佢亦都做喺亞太區做咗好多年㗎啦 ，OK， 咁樣佢本身係總部喺新加坡啦，咁樣而家佢都係靠我SQX 喺大中華區做幾個 project 嘅係，咁樣而佢點解咁專注都可以做到咁成功呢？其實佢係對應緊市場上一個好大嘅 challenge 嘅，因為而家好多時候啲 smart campus 一啲好大型嘅 premises 啊、學校啊、園區啦，要智能化，真係要智能化噶啦。但係點解要智能化呢？其實而家好多啲 subsystem 咧係冇自動化嘅嘢啦。亦都係好多時候冇呢類軟件嘅話，整合唔到，亦都管理唔到。中間有好多數據，亦都得物無所用嘅，因為冇一啲 cost reference 啊。正如我哋最傳統嘅叫 smart system 叫 connect and analyze 嘅動作係冇嘅，亦都更加冇 future proof 嘅一啲咁嘅概念喺而家好多時候啲大型園區嘅 security 或者 facility 嘅系統嘅。所以佢哋嘅主打產品Octopus 嘅 On Campus 咧，成個就係講緊智能化嘅管理系統，係將 Smart Lighting 啦、Security and Safety 啦、ICT 即係 IT 管理系統啦，或者Water and Sewage 啊，或者交通啊、傳統嘅電力啊、風火水電嘅嘢啊、智能泊車嘅系統咧，都會整合好晒。而個整合咁樣用第二個角度睇啦，呢 subsystem 少少名啦，咁樣我唔詳細逐個高呼啦。咁樣有啲最新少少嘅，譬如無人機系統啊，或者係頭先有個概念 City Residence 啦，都會整合埋嘅。真係每個入到嚟呢個 Smart Campus 嘅用戶咧，都會俾個 download 個 app 俾佢啊，或者有個 intranet 俾佢去參與成個 Smart Operation 嘅。佢成個概念係即係全民都係智能化嘅一員嚟嘅。咁而由整合上面嘅嘢啦，另外一個角度睇啦 ，Open Platform OK， 當然 Octopus 佢識我都係因為我係貓松Greater China North Asia 咁多年嘅最大嘅分銷啦。咁樣佢亦都帶住我哋夾住貓松做好多 project 嘅。但係除咗整合貓松 VMS 之外咧，佢甚至乎 VMS、CTV 都會同好多唔同嘅廠家整好晒啦。喺第一行或者消防系統嘅，亦都同好多唔同嘅 Railway Leader 整合好晒㗎啦。Intrusion Alarm 啦、Access Control 啦，或者啲通訊系統，好似啲 IP-based PA， 好似國產嘅 ITC 啊，或者同好多唔同嘅 Incident Manager 整合啊，或者有陣時啲對講機系統啊嗰啲，佢哋都會整合嘅。咁最新少少嘅有啲 GPS Locational Service， 佢哋都會整合好晒。而佢哋做緊一個叫做 Integrated Platform 嘅動作咧，係希望帶俾大家好成套軟件係 off the shelf 嘅 one stop shop 嘅 OK。咁樣 off the shelf 軟件嘅好處唔使大家講噶啦，即係我估大家在座嘅都知道兩大陣營，賣 off the shelf 軟件或者做個 software house 幫你全部 custom 埋好晒啲嘢佢㗎。咁樣全部 custom 埋啲嘢嘅唔好處，我做好少呢類生意嘅，真係由 day one 同你 define 個 functional design spec 溝通要求到 develop 到呢個 testing 到 implementation， 冇半年一年一定搞唔掂啲嘢 ，debugging 都有排嘅。咁樣但係 Octopus 嘅概念係 off the shelf， 佢呢度好多唔同嘅功能啊，甚至乎 mobile apps 啊，一啲唔同嘅系統整合咧，其實佢全部都係你今日俾個要求佢，其實幾日內佢都會俾到一個合適嘅 demonstration 俾你，或者溝通清楚一啲複雜少少嘅概念，咁樣我哋亦都好多時候係可以3-4個星期同你做一啲 proof of concept 嘅 set up 嘅。而成個 operation 佢幫到大家手嘅嘢啦，咁樣最頂層嘅就係頭先個概念啦，全民皆智能化嘅，即係你唔只係俾 security operator 啊或者技術員工用嘅，譬如你物流車隊啊、 或者係啲tenant 啊，一啲訪客啊，或者啲 contractor 啊，都會參與成個 security use 嘅 OK。咁樣而最底層嘅接合嘅咁樣亦都好豐富㗎啦。咁樣頭先亦都提過啦，好多真係一啲而家因為 4G 5G 真係會成熟好多，佢哋而家最新啲整合咧都會做好晒呢啲咁嘅walkie-talkie 對講啊，或者甚至乎將啲 smartphone 咧會變成一啲真係雙向對講嘅 device 嘅 OK。咁而幫到大家真係，我見我 guest list 今日好在座係講緊 secure operation 多嘅，咁樣而 secure operation 最幫到大家咧做呢啲整合軟件咧，真係會幫到你標準化你個操作流程 standard 你嘅security operation 啲 SOP，OK，咁樣 make sure 有事發生嘅時候用最精準嘅反應，而亦都成個反應會有齊所有人參與嘅 ownership 啦。亦都會有合適嘅 escalation 嘅 ，OK， 咁樣成個collect、prioritize、manage and respond 都會有晒管理同記錄，而亦都係講緊事後嘅，亦都會有 report 啦，去持續改進翻你成個 security operation 嘅係。咁樣係一啲大型嘅 smart campus 或者一啲真係有特定外判嘅 operation 啦，其實好合適嘅係。而 mobility 啦，咁樣而家講緊咧，同10幾20年前我啱啱出道嗰陣時咧，都睇過啲 PSIM 嘅。雖然我後尾賣貓鬆都賣得算係成功啦，其實係取代咗好多 PSIM 嘅動作。但係其實而家新一代嘅 PSIM 咧，其中有個最大嘅改進咧，就係 communication 嘅 integration。咁樣對你車隊啊，或者用簡單少少商用上用啲 smartphone 去做一啲雙向對講啊，或者整合一啲高級少少嘅 walkie-talkie 啦，Octopus 呢樣已經係做得好好嘅，會令到成個 message 同一個溝通啦，由上而下嘅溝通或者 peer to peer 嘅溝通咧，係可以係即時亦都齊晒記錄嘅係。而頭先提過啦，全民皆智能化嘅動作咧，好似我哋會幫有啲客做一啲 smart campus 嘅概念咧，係每個 tenant 都會有個 mobile app 嘅。譬如見到漏水啊，見到燈膽壞咗啊，邊度門壞咗唔順啊，呢啲咧其實可以影幅相，然後撳翻個掣，俾翻個 operator 咁樣。而個過程咧，亦都會有啲 chatbot， 一啲 AI 嘅 assistant。教你點樣開個 case 啊，要齊相啊，或者而同一時間會 lock 低咗你個 mobile app 嗰啲 GPS location 啊之類嘅嘢咧，去開翻個 case。而當然後邊啲 facility manager close 咗個 case 之後咧，亦都會通知翻個 tenant 多謝你參與report 呢個 case 啊。呢類咁嘅智能化嘅嘢咧，其實會 down to 好多好深層，去到 tenant， 去到 visitor， 唔止係一啲 employee 會做嘅動作。其中一個對上一代 PSIM 嚟講咧，其中一個大嘅改進就係 mobile app 啦。咁樣而 Octopus 嘅 mobile app 咧係可以係切合唔同嘅功能嘅。咁樣其中一個啦，即係好似推送一個要求俾個 security staff 一個保安要落去嘅話咧，你會見到第一個界面有個 panic alarm 喺邊個撳喎，咁樣然後第二頁咧你落去啦，第3頁咧，其實就去到你其實可以同你係如果個 security operator 嘅話咧，你落緊去嘅時候，你可以同個總部咧雙向對講嘅，亦都唔會擔心去錯地方，因為同一時間個 app 會俾埋個 map 你睇啦，或者係好似 Google 導航咁樣啦，俾埋附近幅相你睇，即係 make sure 你唔會去錯地方認錯機嘅 ，OK。咁呢啲智能化嘅嘢，咁樣俾形象化少少啦。咁樣一陣間 Danny 同我團隊咧，會多少少例子俾大家睇嘅。再之餘啦，咁樣成個 facility 嘅 hierarchy 咧，頭先講緊做呢啲 SOP 真係一個 ownership 緊要嘅。咁樣其中一啲例子俾大家睇啦，幾個唔同嘅角色咧，全部係會聯動晒。咁樣成個流程咧，就算複雜少少嘅 SOP 咧，都可以做到良好嘅管理嘅。而同上一代唔同咧，基本上其中有多啲真係Internet 2.0、3.0嘅動作啦。好似如果一啲大型嘅 Smart Campus 要做一啲風險管理嘅話咧，我哋會幫佢做一啲同互聯網嘅整合嘅，即係同啲 social media 嘅整合嘅。譬如真係睇翻互聯網上邊有冇我哋個 campus 附近發生啲乜事啊，或者 點樣一啲嘅信息咧，唔只係靠個 security operator 啊、CCTV 啊、access control 去睇風險嘅，可以喺 social media 嗰度留。如果有呢類嘅風險嘅話咧，早少少做反應。另外就係講緊咧，一啲真係大型嘅 campus 咧，我哋會幫佢做即時嘅統計，亦都會做啲 evaluation on performance， 譬如排隊時間啊，或者 VSO 出入貨嘅速度啊之類嘅嘢，咁樣呢啲會係我哋亦都會做啲統計。而下一步我哋會做完啲統計啦，亦都會做一啲特定嘅 prediction 嘅 ，OK， 唔只係純粹統計 present 個 report 俾你算噶啦。而家我哋上到去雲端嘅數據啦，我哋會幫手做第二次分析嘅，真係所謂prediction 嘅動作啦。咁樣而最傳統我哋做得多嘅 prediction 啦，其實就係人流統計啦。咁樣我哋會好容易會睇到，預計呢個 weekend 大概個人流會係點啊，安排翻人手啊呢啲我哋會做到嘅，即係啲 business intelligence and prediction。咁最尾一個值得介紹下嘅範疇嘅就係cyber security 啦。OK。咁樣大家會講啊，點解 PSIM 會八卦埋啲 cyber security 嘢咧？其中一個概念其實係 IT domain 嘅風險咧，好多時候係同物理上邊 physical domain 嘅風險咧有關係嘅，但係各不相干嘅。而家好多時候係操作，但係其實你想象一個人偷咗個 password， 其實 Active Directory 上邊佢喺屋企係咪喺互聯網喺個 internet 係 login 唔到入嚟嘅？佢係要喺你個 premises入到嚟先至會 log in 到嘅，咁一個人入到嚟，而你 hack 入去你個 network 嗰度，咁樣其實風險最高嘅。咁樣呢個就係 physical 同 IT domain 其實中間係有關聯嘅，但係操作上而家有個 gap。OK， 咁樣 Octopus 正正就係幫你嘗試 bridge 呢個 physical 同 IT domain 中間嘅 gap。佢嘅動作就係兩邊都整合好晒佢啦。咁樣而中間亦都係會同好多 cyber security 嘅專家啊，呢個 physical security 嘅專家咧，去定好多唔同情況之下嘅 SOP 咧，去幫你哋用最快嘅速度去做呢個反應，而亦都係事後定期去同你做翻啲 reporting 同第二次分析咧，去持續改進嘅。咁樣而佢哋而家亦都用緊啲 AI engine 咧，最緊要做一啲 early detection 同埋一啲未來嘅 prediction 去幫你哋減低呢個 physical and cyber security 嘅風險嘅。 OK， 咁好多呢類概念啦，唔講咁多啦，因為我哋阿 Danny 同埋阿三文魚佢哋咧喺 demo 房都等咗好耐，咁樣少少圖俾大家睇一啲案例啦，即係佢哋都係幾大洲都有好多唔同嘅 job reference 噶啦。咁樣有興趣嘅朋友咧，可以會後多啲同我哋後邊溝通啦。咁樣以下時間咧，我交俾Danny 同埋 Simon Yu 佢哋開始個 demonstration 啦。So I will pass the stage to you, Danny.
Thank you, Alex.
Hello,
nice
Danny.
to meet everyone.
大家好，我係 Simon Yu。咁我會喺呢度咧就同翻阿 Danny 啦，喺翻佢哋自己以色列嗰邊咧，就會做翻一個聯動嘅 demonstration 啦。咁大家可能會首先喺個版面嗰度咧，就會見得到成個 Octopus 嗰個版面係點樣嘅。咁大家可能見到有好多唔同嘅 icon 啦，唔同色啦。咁 Danny 一陣間咧就會幫手去介紹一下個界面係點樣嘅。咁同埋佢可能會話翻俾你知咧，如果譬如遇到一啲 case 嘅時候，咁會有啲咩反應啊？咁可以做到啲乜嘢啊？咁樣嘅。Hi, Danny.
Hi, Simon.
Yeah, could you please introduce about the interface, how to use the Octopus, and do you have some situation can share to us how to start and complete it?
Yes. So let's give a quick overview about the user interface so our guests can see how the system looks and works. So you see here what we're showing you is a unified dashboard that allows you to view every type of information of your facility, of your organization in one place. So example, here we have incidents and incoming tickets from reporting, people that are reported or from the integrated systems. We have here a view of our GIS or facility plans, floor plans. We have here integrated devices, and I can see all their statuses and control them. We have activity calendar, we have your cameras, but we can change the layout as we want, and we can view the layout and put up different type of widgets on this layout. So if I want to see other information here, visitors, and incident, and dashboard for BI or any other type of thing, media feed. So I can select the layout and select the feeds that I want, the types of information. I have quick activation buttons and I have all my modules on the left. Let's see, for example, a scenario. So let's see now we have, for example, a guard. We, of course, have one of the important elements that the guards used is the mobile application. So the mobile application installed on Android or iPhones and is the operational tool for the guard or for the technical person on the field. He is using it as a work terminal, and now he's doing his reporting duties. He's walking around looking for all kind of faults, and he sees someone fallen and injured on the floor. Now he wants to make a call to the control center and tell him, look, I saw this person, what should we do? So he can press on his mobile device a video call, which creates a ticket on the incident on the system. You see the ticket incident coming in, registered as a call from the guard. And what happens is that the phone is being opened, as you can see here. So the phone is being opened, as you can see here. This is the phone, and it's coming in with sound. Let me stop my video from the Zoom session, and you can see the video coming in on the phone. So this is the guard, and this is the control center here. So I, from the control center, can see what the guard is showing me. He's showing me, look, the person is fallen here on the floor, and he needs our assistance. And what should I do? And the guard sees the control person from the other side. This video is recorded. This is recorded on the system and can be used afterwards for any necessary interrogation. You can see here now we want to change this call information to a person who has needs a medical assistance or is a medical incident or event. And we can select, we have a SOP. So the SOP will open up automatically, and I can tell the guard the procedure, the task he needs to do resuscitation, defibrillation. You can see there's multiple options on the SOP. There's automated activations on the SOP that can be deployed, and I can in this way follow up on the incident and close it and retrieve it. Back to you, Simon.
頭先咧，大家 thank you Danny。頭先咧，大家都見得到啦 ，Danny 佢就好出嚟地都話咗俾大家知個 interface 右邊嗰啲 icon 係有點樣用啦。咁亦都會見到一個 map 啊，甚至乎可以喺啲 schedule 上面咧，咁都可以直接睇得翻嘅。咁而佢亦都舉咗個例子嘅，譬如話一啲安西嘅家頂啊，或者係一啲安西嘅同事，佢發現到一啲事情嘅時候咧，係可以即時用翻本身 Octopus 嗰個 mobile apps 咧嚟到去同 operation team 裏面嘅 office 咧即時做翻個互動溝通㗎。咁而當有一啲唔同嘅 incident 出現咗嘅時候咧，咁其實亦都可以用翻佢哋嘅 playbook 咧嚟到去做翻一啲記錄啊，同埋根據翻 playbook 上面一啲 guideline 咧嚟到去 double confirm 翻究竟嗰個 step 有冇做漏啊，有冇做啱啊，甚至乎可以加翻究竟呢一件事情係啲咩事，同埋可以 pass 翻俾一啲相關嘅同事去做翻 follow up 嘅。咁好啦，除咗呢啲咁樣嘅現場嘅情況之外啦，咁我哋可以睇下會唔會 Octopus 有其他一啲 further 嘅嘢咯喎，譬如話會唔會喺一啲sensor 上面嘅幫到手嘅嘢啊，或者 cyber security 嘅上面可以幫得到手咯喎。Hi Danny.
Yes, Simon.
Yeah, could you please explain about other further like the power or sensor problem to take the alarm signal at the Octopus system, or any cyber security can be protection?
Yes. So of course we are integrated to all your subsystems in your facility, in your organization, and we are able to, through that integration, receive different type of alarms, failures, problems. So let's say now we have integrated sensor from on your power systems. that is saying, giving us an alarm about failure, tripped power. The alarm will come into the system as an incident. So you can see here for just a simulation I made, as alarm coming in says power failed. An operator in the control center can open this incident and immediately see the location, can see what sensor is failed, get all the information on the log. If I have overviewing cameras, I can view those cameras that are showing this location to understand what's happened there. And if I can see anything visually from the control center. And we have, in this case, also a digital twin that is showing us the layout of your building. Let us try to make this digital twin slightly bigger. It's very small here. I will increase the view of the digital twin. There we go. And once we can model your facility, we can model your floor plans. And when an incident comes in, you will see, they will exactly zoom in to show you the exact location from in the digital twin of where this power failure is. And I can immediately, you can see, visualize it. I can go zoom in, zoom out, and I can see exactly what happened in that sense. So I have full visualization of this power failure and full understanding and ability to resolve it. Of course, I can try to reset the sensor, a device directly from the Octopus system because I have access to all the sensor and device management, or I can send there one of my staff members to deal with it. So I will now go here on the sensor, and I want to send a technician to deal with this incident. So what I will do now is deploy, I will deploy the person on the ground. So I'm going to search for users in the area here. And who do I have available? I have Danny, the technician, available. So I see here all the available staff on shift. And Danny's technician, I'm going to assign it to him. I see he's already assigned to another incident. Let's try unassign him and assign him again. There he is. Danny is assigned. So Danny got on his phone. You see Octopus Control Center is associated with the incident power. Please respond. Are you available to deal with this? Yes, I'm available and I'm on the way. So, as you can see here, it says here, Danny's on the way. Danny's on the way. And also we got here, it will take him 3 minutes, 3 meters, 1 meter. So he will, see here, there we go. Now you can visualize it better. You can see it will take him, the control center knows he's on the way. He's assigned here to the incident. On his phone also, he sees where he needs to drive to. And this is a dynamic use and optimized use of your manpower. So you don't waste manpower sitting in facilities and just waiting for tasks, but they're dynamically pushed to the incident only when it really occurs. And this allows you to optimize. And it will take, you see, Danny, this is his location. I can see where exactly he is. I can search and see all my staff. Let's look at another incident and talk about cyber integration. I will move to another environment quickly that shows some cyber integrations. And as part of the platform we're offering you, we are also integrating to your information security and cyber elements that you have in the system. There we go. And as part of that integration, we can integrate to all those elements, and therefore, I seem to have some problem I see with this information, with this, no problem. Let's go back to my original system. So we can integrate to all your cyber elements and then be able to get the events from the cyber elements. So if you have any of your cyber or information security elements that are in the system, then we will be able to integrate to those elements and pull up all the alarms coming in. So if any information security events coming in, any illegal uses that can happen, I don't know, there's some kind of event coming in about user trying to put a USB and copy a lot of information from your one of your and try to steal intellectual property or assets. So in this sense, we'll have it coming in. We'll have all the integrated systems, the servers, Active Directory, network access control, ATP, WAF, web application firewall. We integrate to hundreds of types of systems and vendors. You see sensitive information has been copied, and I can even see on the digital twin where exactly you see someone is trying to, so USB is inserted. And it's showing me here the WIT office on the digital twin in the meeting room. In the meeting room here, they're starting to steal information, and I will see on the camera, I can also see on the camera in the meeting room, I will be able to see and select what is done. I can run all kind of actions, find the computer on the network, disconnect the user from the network, call the manager, send information, record the session of his computer, lock his computer, and so forth. We can also show you cyber compliance. So we have a compliance system. I think, Alex, you were explaining our performance SLA and KPI system. But we can show you your overall cyber compliance and go on the different type of topics in the cyber compliance system to understand where you have better compliance, where you have poor compliance on the system. So this allows you to enforce compliance and enforce your employees to have reduce improper behavior or malicious behavior, and to have the controls in place that you need for managing everything that's needed. I don't have any demo here, but this is the concept. I will give it back to you, Simon.
Thank you, Danny. The digital twins is very awesome.
Thank you.
嗱，大家可以頭先見得到嘅，咁頭先阿 Daniel 咧就嘗試去話翻俾我哋知啦。如果遇到一啲譬如話一啲power outage 嘅問題啊，又或者 cyber security 嘅問題嘅話咧，其實個 system 咧係可以除咗出啲 alarm 之外啦，去做翻個 playbook 啦。你可以見到佢都會係有一個好多唔同嘅地方可以互動，去知道翻究竟即時發生緊咩事嘅。譬如話佢有個 digital twin， 有個 3D 嘅 mapping， 咁我睇得翻係究竟係喺邊一個層樓上面發生嘅問題。同時間亦都可以去聯動翻嗰個位置嘅 camera 去睇翻即時嘅現場情況嘅，咁亦都有賴翻佢哋本身嗰個 GPS 嘅 function 咧，咁就佢哋可以即時去同翻一啲譬如可能有啲外邊同事啊，或者係出面做緊嘢嘅同事啊，話翻俾佢知邊個 location 啊出咗啲咩問題啊，咁你可唔可以即刻去呢一個附近位嗰度做翻，或者去做翻檢查啊？咁而中間亦都可以即時去 predict 翻，就係話大概幾耐嘅時間度咧，佢就會到得到咁樣嘅。咁而佢亦都會有一啲數據啊，咁你可以睇得翻啊，你究竟現時有幾多嘢係未做得到啊？個 percentage 百分比有幾多啊？諸如此類嘅 information 咧，都係好容易就可以去睇得翻，同埋去做翻呢啲改善添嘅。咁可能除咗一啲安西嘅嘢咁樣嘅安西資料之外啦，咁其實會唔會仲有其他嘅 further 嘅 information 啊，或者 further action 啊？譬如 for 一啲吉華啊，或者係會唔會有啲 report 啊，可以俾得翻出嚟 for 翻啲 operation 嘅人去 further 做咧？我哋嗰陣時候問下 Danny 咯喎。Danny。
Yes, thank you, Simon.
Yeah, beside the cybersecurity, the alarm system, do any like the patrol system or any reporting for the management for the reviewing regularly?
Yes, the system also has all the tools for your routine activities. So not just receiving tickets, controlling devices and systems, and monitoring your risks and threats throughout your organization, but also your routine actions, your routine day-to-day tasks that your control center needs to manage and your staff needs to do all for their duties. So you see here, there's an activity calendar that allows you to define all your routine tasks, shifts, guard tours, patrols. And we also have, you can define here who needs to do anything and set up. You see the groups of people or the people that need to do what where they need to do, what building, what address, and you can set up all the routine activities here, who is the manager, of course, and so forth. And everything will be appearing and they will be notified on their mobile app or on their web portal about their tasks and duties. And we have also a guard tour system here that you can set up both for guards, both for driving. Sorry, this is not what I wanted to open. I apologize. I wanted to open here, patrols. We have driving routes. So you can set up different driving routes for day-to-day tasks, routes, logistical, necessarily drives, and so forth. Or you can set up for your staff to do checkpoint, what you call checkpoint scan point. So this can be done for technical day-to-day checks where you need to scan equipment and inspect equipment, or it can be done for security, of course, for security companies, for guard tours. You can use either QR code or NFC tag here, or NFC tag that can be placed on the spot, on the location of the equipment or the person or the place. And then you can set up questions and answers for the guard when he scans all those points, and he will have to do those points in sequence. So, so he will go with his mobile device and scan. Let's go to the mobile device here and turn on the mobile device. The mobile phone is going to sleep. Open his mobile app and press on the mobile app here. As you can see, scan. We have here scan QR code, scan point QR code. So I can press on that. Let us move this to the side so I can scan this barcode. And I will go with my phone, scan the barcode. Now you can see I've scanned it. And as I've scanned it, it's asking, you said you scan point 1, is the door open? I'm going to say no, it's closed. Is there any people in the building? Yes, there's still more than 10 people. I can attach photo. I can add also the comments. I can save it. And I can report it. And look what happened here. We got the control center got notification that my guard has done a scan, but he scanned it over 150 meters from the point because we have the geolocation of the guard and we have the geolocation of the point when we set it up. So we set up the geolocation of the point, as you can see here, either indoor or either outdoor or indoor. So I can set up, and we know if the guard is actually there. And if he's not there, we'll get notification he's trying to fool us and sitting at home trying to scan these QR codes. So this is something we don't want. We can even see the guard's location on the map. And when he scans the QR codes, we will see them turn into red, from red to green, with the details of the guard that scanned them on the map. So that is one aspect of the duties and patrols that the system allows you to manage here. You see here scan points, guard tour, and I can look and see all the guard tours that have been scanned, if they're red or green, and so forth, and if they've been scanned and not scanned. So you see, not scanned, will be scanned, will be green. Another aspect that is important is the reporting tool. So we have a very strong business intelligence reporting module for you, where you can create your own different type of business intelligence dashboards, live dynamic dashboards, and you can configure them. So I want to now, these are, of course, we have a lot of existing reports already in the system, but you can make your own if you want. In this case, you see I have my top common incident, the incidents in the organization. This is a live dashboard, so I can have it refreshed every 30 seconds, 1 minute. And I want to see all the incidents for the last 7 days. And you can see here top seven top common incidents for the last 7 days: illegal parking, access control, medical incidents, power failed, panic button, incidents by shifts at different time, what time do they come, by severity, how much were critical, low, high, by status, open, close, by platform, how were they reported, each day I can see. And this, you can create your own dashboard to show any type of information that you want here, because it's all a dynamic tool for you. You can have for many types of already preset reports, for visitors, for patrols, and so forth. I hope you got a good overview of what this system can do. Of course, it's a modular system, is in many things. Let us see if there's any questions and answers. Simon, is there any questions and answers that people want
Yes.
to ask? I see here in the Q&A.
Yeah, so